Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you Shahi Chicken curry. It's going to be very tasty, very delicious, and I'm going to make it creamy mushroom chicken curry. Please try it and you're going to like it. And without wasting any time, let's start with the ingredient. 5-pound chicken drumsticks. What I've done, I have taken out the skin and I made a couple of cuts on each drumstick. Whole reason I'm doing it, if you never tried this one, please try it. When we're going to cook it, all the masala, all the seasoning, all the curry going to blend in inside and it's going to taste delicious when you're going to eat it. 1 chicken breast, you can use any meat. White mushroom, these are sliced and these are pre-washed and I'm going to use that. 1 diced onion, 2 teaspoons cumin seed, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half cup vegetable oil, 2 tomatoes. I put it in food processor. I make a nice smooth puree. And this is all we need for our tadka. The first step will be the marination, and we're going to marinate chicken with, it's a 1 cup dahi, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons salt, and salt is according to taste, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, it's a Kashmiri mirch, 2 teaspoons cumin powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and 2 teaspoons coriander powder. Next step will be 2 teaspoons garam masala, 2 green chili, 1 tablespoon fenugreek leaves. In typical Punjabi, we call it kasuri methi. 1 cup heavy cream and cilantro as needed. Dahi, yogurt, and heavy cream. That's going to bring the richness to our Shahi mushroom curry. And let's start marinating the chicken. Get a large mixing bowl. First bring the dry ingredient, coriander powder and turmeric powder, salt, Kashmiri mirch and cumin powder. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined, bring dahi. This is homemade dahi. The video I have posted on my channel, ginger garlic paste. And now we're going to mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, that's going to be our marination. As for the marination, it's always good for a longer period of time, but I'm going to marinate for 1 hour. We'll bring chicken. And we're going to give a good mix. So mix it well. I'll cover with the lid and we'll wait for 1 hour. Get a big karai and we're going to start gas. And we're going to keep gas on high. I'll bring oil. As the oil start to heat up, I will bring cumin seed, jeera. We're going to cook only for like 10 seconds. This is all we need. Ginger garlic paste. And we need to cook only 20 seconds. We just need the garlicky flavor to go with. This is all we need. Now I'm going to bring onion. Ginger garlic will cook along with onion. Mix it well and we're going to cook the onion really well. So keep moving so it won't get burned. Cooking for 5 minutes. Onions are nicely golden brown. I'll bring tomato puree. Mix it well. After mixing it well, I'll bring the gas to medium. We'll cover with the lid and we'll cook it for 3 minutes. Cooking for 3 minutes. Mix it well. The tomatoes are nicely cooked. Now I will bring chicken. The chicken is marinated for 1 hour. I'm going to scoop out all the dahi. Mix it well. Once the tadka is nicely combined with the chicken, on medium gas, cover with the lid and we're going to cook for 15 minutes. I'm going to open it a couple times and we're going to stir it. The reason we're going to do it so it won't get burned at the bottom. Cooking for 15 minutes on medium gas. I opened it twice and I stirred it. Mix it. This one looking really nice. And after mixing it well, now I'll bring mushroom. Mix it well. Once the mushroom is nicely combined with the chicken, We're going to spread it evenly. We're going to cover with the lid again on medium gas. We're going to cook additional 15 minutes. We're going to open it a couple times and stir it so it won't get burned. Cooking for another 15 minutes. Altogether, half an hour. Mix it. Chicken is nicely cooked and the mushroom are tender. I'll bring garam masala. So we're going to mix it well. Once the garam masala is nicely combined, I'll bring green chili and kasuri methi. Mix it well. We are still cooking on medium gas. We're going to cover with the lid again and we're going to cook for 5 minutes. Cooking for another 5 minutes. Mix it. Once it's nicely mixed, chicken is fully cooked, the mushroom is also cooked. I'll bring heavy cream. Mix it well. It's going to be creamy mushroom chicken curry. So once it's nicely combined, we're going to cover with the lid and we're going to bring our gas to medium low, which is number 3, and we're going to let it simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. On medium low gas, cooking for 5 minutes. I'll bring the gas to high. And the last ingredient, we're going to bring cilantro and mix it well. After adding cilantro and mixing it well on high gas, we're going to cook for 1 minute. Our dish is ready. Our Shahi chicken mushroom curry is ready. I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving platter ready. I'm going to dish out. This is very rich. Please try it and you're going to like it. You always serve with the roti, chapati, naan, fulka, prantha. Best of all, with rice pulao. Let me share with you our tasty, delicious, creamy mushroom chicken curry. Please try it and you're going to like it. And comment below how it turned out for you. Like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.